Hi guys, how are you all keeping? Thanks for tuning in onto my channel. Well, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and then let's get into this. Today I'm going to do my eyebrows. I first trimmed my eyebrows a little bit. I have a sharpener for the brow pencils, and then I have the brush which has a spoolie on the side end. I have those two concealers. I have a brush, and then lastly I have the brow mascara. I'm beginning by combing my eyebrows upwards, and then I'll start by framing them using the brow pencil. First of all, to know how your brow is, your eyebrow, you have to measure like that, so you know the beginning, the corner part and the end. I'm beginning by drawing a light line underneath my brow. I'm going like that, lightly up to the end, and then I'm going on top of the eyebrow. I'm doing the same. I'm just lightly going with the brow pencil. And then I'm joining the ends. For the next eye, it's the same. I'm starting from there, just drawing a light line using the brow pencil, just like that. And then I'm going on the top of the eyebrow and I'm doing the same. Okay, I connect. Then after that my framing is done, so I'll start by filling in the eyebrows from the end going inwards. So I'm going to use this flat angled brush, and then I'm going in with the concealer. I'll put it on my eyelid and then build like a line, so to clean out my eyebrow. And then I'm using the dark concealer just to go in the beginning of my eyebrows. As you see, it's not that like the other concealer, so to make the eyebrows look like a bit natural. I'm using the brush to go over the concealer areas on my eyelids. I'll do this in the other eye also, just to put things set. I'm going in with the spoolie, and then I brush on the beginning of the eyebrows, going to the end. I'm taking a small amount of concealer and then I'm going with it on top of the eyebrows. As you see how my brush is laid, it's flat laid, and then I'm going like that. I'm just doing this for the sake of eyebrow tutorial, but it's not my thing completely. Yeah, so just to keep them like this scene, I have to do that. I want my eyebrows to look like more put, like they don't get disorganized, if I'm correct. So I'm using this brow mascara, but if you don't have this eyebrow mascara, you can use either a brow gel or a styling gel of your choice. That is nice, but make sure that you're not putting a lot of it because it will ruin. So I'm just going lightly with the brow mascara, yeah, just to keep them put. Well, that's it for the eyebrow. Thank you for viewing. You're welcome next time. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit your notification bell, share, like, comment on this video.